Hello everyone. The next topic is deletion in red black tree. See, we have to do deletion as in the same way as we are doing in BST. And for example, if it is a leaf node, if it is having one child and if it is having two childs, after deletion we need to check the cases whether it is a red leaf node which is deleted. If the red node is deleted, then we don't have any problem because it will not change my black heights, which is a necessary condition for AVL. Let's see an example. For a deletion, if the deleted node is of red color, then not a problem because we have not violated any rule. And if it is a black node that we are deleting, then we have to do certain changes. So these are the three steps that we have to take care while deletion. Convert it into 0-1 child case, that is do deletion like you are doing in normal BST. Then check the node to be deleted if it is red, or if the node to be deleted is black and its child is red, then we just have to do replacement. Otherwise, there are 6 double black cases. We will be doing this one by one. So let's see. Let us suppose this is my red black tree. Root is black. Each path is having equal number of black nodes and there are no consecutive reds. Let us suppose the first case is I'm deleting 30. 30 is the node which is having two childs. Like in BST, we replace it by in-order successor or in-order predecessor. If we are replacing it by in-order successor, it will be replaced by 35. So 35 will come here and 30 will come here. Again, 30 is a red node. So deletion of this node will not bring any change in my red-black tree because number of black nodes should be same. So we are going to directly delete this red node. So if my node to be deleted is of red color, then we just have to do deletion like in normal BST. So this will be my final answer. 35 will go up and 35 will be deleted. So this will be a null node altogether. So this will be null node altogether. So this will be my case. Right. Let us see one different case. Second case is if we want to delete a black node. Let us suppose I have to delete 30. If I have to delete 30, 30 is a black node. Again, it is a black node. I need to check like in normal BST in order successor or predecessor. In order successor is again of black color. So in order successor, we will be replacing 30 by 32 and therefore we are deleting 30. So 32 will be replaced at this position and 30 will be at this position now. Since we need to delete this particular node, we are going to check again its child. Since its child is of red color, this 35 will come here and it will become black color and this will be deleted. That means if we are finding in order successor and first we are replacing it and then we are again saying that the node to be deleted is having a right child. If it is having a right red child, then we just have to do replacement and this can be deleted altogether. So this is the case. First we have replaced 32 here. So 32 is here. Then 30 is here. We need to delete 30, but we cannot delete a black node. So 35 we have its successor 35. We have bought 35 here and it is of black color. So the number of black heights are again same. So these are the two simple cases. Deleted. Find it in order successor if it is having two childs, and if the in order successor is of red color, then it is of no problem. We just have to replace that node. Then again, these are the double black cases. These are the double black cases. Double black cases as if, let us suppose we need to delete 10. 10 in order successor is also of black color. Right, so let us suppose when I'm deleting 10, 20 will be replaced here and 10 will be here. Again, we are having child of 10 which are of black color. So deleting 10 will make this node as a double black node which is represented by a double circle. 20 is replaced here and this will be a double black circle. Now we have to remove this. To remove this, we are having 6 different cases. To understand these cases one by one, firstly you have to take care that these are the rules which we need to remember. These are certain cases. How to understand these cases is these are double black nodes, right? These are black nodes and these are red nodes. And these blue color nodes, we don't care about whether they are black or red. The rotation can be done, right? So we will be assuming that these are double black nodes, these are black nodes, these are red nodes, and irrespective of what color these blue nodes have, we can do rotation if these conditions are true. So how to check which double black conditions are valid for my case? Let's see one by one. Let us suppose I need to delete 20 in this case. To delete 20, this black node will come here and this will be a double black case. Now check all the cases. This is the double black node. This is the double black node. If the above the double black node is a red node, this is the red node. This is black and the childs are always black. This is black. So this case is exactly matching with case number 4. This is what we have to do. Make double black node as a single black one. So this will be n with a single black node. Change the color of this red node as black node. So this will be now my black node. And change the color of this S node as a red node. So we will be changing the color of this node. So in this case 4, we don't have to do any rotation. We just have to change the color. Change the color according to the rule. Change the color as red and change the color of this node as black and remove one black from here. So this is the final case. Case number 4, this is black, this is red, and this is a single black. Now you can see this is a red black tree. This is a valid red black tree because number of black nodes are same in each path. So this is how you have to check. Once again, let us suppose this is the case and I need to delete minus 10. Right? Minus 10 is deleting minus 10 will bring this black node here. So one is black, other will also be black. So this is the double black case. How to remove this double black case? See, this is double black, this is black, these two are red, right? These two are red. And this is again black. Black, double black. This will not be valid, this will not be valid. Let us see this. A double black node, irrespective of what color it is having, let it be. This is black, this is black. This must be red, so this is red, and this can be of any color according to this rule. So how we have to do is, we need to do rotation in this particular case. How the rotation is done? P will come down, N will come down. So this is a rotation that bring P down, take S up, right? And then you have to change the color. Bring 10 down, bring this 30 above, and subsequently this will come up and you have to change color according to these nodes. So this will be my final tree by applying case this. Same, I have just used this case and I have changed the color according to this particular rule and I have done the rotation based on this particular rule. Let us next see this particular case. I need to delete minus 10. If I want to delete minus 10, this will be a double black case. Double black, black, black. Case 3, let us suppose case 3, double black, 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 black and black. So what we can do is, we can make this a single black. This will be my double black now. This will be my red now. And these two will become my this. Again, case number 1 can be applied. That root cannot be double black. So we can remove one black. So what will be my case? This will be black. This will be black. This will be red. So this is black, this is black, this is red. So you just have to check the cases and you have to do rotations. Please see the cases one by one. Do it by yourself by checking the cases and you will get to know. Let us now do. So what we are doing in this BST is, first we are deleting a symbol node, then we are seeing whether it is a red node or whether it is having a red child. If it is having a red child, we are just replacing it. Otherwise, we are checking whether it is a double black case or not. If it is a double black case, we are matching with existing 6 cases and doing rotation as per the result. Let us try one example. Let us try one example through visualization. 47, 32, 71. First I'm creating the tree. 47, 32, 71. 47, 32. This is the case. 47, 32, 71. I'm just doing insertion. Insertion we have already done. 65, 87. 65, 87. 82, 93. 82, 93. So this is the case. We are trying one example. We are trying to delete 87 through visualization. Let's see. We have to delete this 87. We are going to, this node is having two childs. So we are going to check in order predecessor, in order successor or predecessor. Let us suppose I am finding in order predecessor in this case. Predecessor is 82. So 82 will be replaced here. Let us suppose I'm deleting 87. Let's see one by one. I need to delete 87. So 82 will come at the place of 87 and it will change its color to black. 82 will come at the black position. Now this is the red node, it can be deleted directly. So this is how it is done. Now you can try these two examples and let me know if you're having any doubt. You can check your results through visualization. Again, I'm telling you through visualization, you just have to type Google red black tree visualization. You will come to this page and you can see one by one step how they are doing. So you just have to remember two cases. Do normal deletion. Check whether there are two simultaneous, two adjacent red nodes. Then if there are two adjacent red nodes, then you have to replace it. And if not, you have to check if there is a double black case, then you have to check out of one of the 6 cases. So let's see, if you're having any doubt, let me know. I will explain you in more detail if required. Thank you.